Hello everyone, this is Talali from the Gulf Sniper. I'll take you through the recap of the 13th of January 2021. Let me take you first through the backtest results of our strategy. Same setting here, the entry and the end time, the exit. The time exit as usual, I keep it as 390 minutes. And the key here is the risk management. I always keep it as 7% to 2%. It's 3 to 1, and I'm keeping 1% as a 1% for the spread or commission. So here is the setting, as you can see, and let's start the results of today. All right, same setting as usual. Starting equity 10,000, share size is 3,000, commission per my broker is 3.95, and January 13th today we got a profit of $2,350.20. Okay, the winning rate was 37.5%, which is 15 out of 40 trades. And the profit, as mentioned, was $2,350.20. Average gain is $58.75 in each trade. Now the most profitable picks for today were MTEC $917.70, JVA $882, FSI $661.50, ACER, hang on, ACER was $557.70, VOLT was $527.10, while the least profitable trades were BBW at minus $281.40, GEME was at minus $273.60, DPW at minus $270.60, PPBT was at minus $259.20, SGLB at minus $224.40. Now, let's go over the entry signals per the time, per the starting time of the market. Okay, here is the list. First one was SNMP, and it gave a signal at 9 o'clock and 9:30 at the beginning of the market. Within 5 minutes, it hit the stop loss. Next trade also the same, stop loss. UTSI gave a signal and it hit the stop loss. Again, as we said in yesterday's update, we will not be able to enter, or will not be really entering all the trades. I will work on the automation, the automated trading, and I will share with you my experience. If we automated the indicator, the screener, we'll try it maybe on a demo first, then we will see how are the results and what is the required starting equity. Okay, starting capital. Okay, let me take you through the charts. All right. Here is SNMP, how it started. I'll open this screen on the other, or maybe here we can put it somewhere so we can see what happened. It gave a signal at 9:30 here, at the market opening. That's the pre-market. Then it gave a signal, but obviously it was below the two moving averages. So basically, we'll not be really not be in a position to enter until we really see a signal here. So this one was, I wouldn't really go with this if I was trading this. Now in AOV, also it gave a signal at the beginning. Let's see if it is really a good one. That one is considered as a real, but I wouldn't go also through this because the resistance is so near. So I will really, what I would do is that, as I mentioned during our yesterday's recap, what I would do, I will see a break, an actual break to the resistance. Then I will go with this. I will enter this. So my entry will be really after 1.18, which did not happen here. So I will not enter from the beginning and then hit the 2% stop loss. No, I would really enter maybe at around here. So from here, if you enter at 31, it's an actual, it will be a real stop loss. So that one also is considered as a lost trade. Okay. Let's see UTSI, what happened with it. 9:34. Okay, it happened 9. And then 9:32, 9:35. Next signal. It was supposed to bounce from here, but unfortunately it did not make it. So that's another one, another lost trade. Notice that those three are equivalent to 2, 2, 2. One trade. If we win it, it will reflect. It will cover all this. And see what is our stop loss here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next ATIF at 9:37. It gave a signal at 1.15. I wonder why it did not count this as a win, while it was supposed to from 1.15. Okay, that was the enter signal. Then it did not, 1.18, yeah, it did not manage to do it, so it went down to the stop loss. Okay. DPW, what happened with it? Though it went very well, it did a very, very excellent increment after market, after trading hours, but let's see what had happened. It was lower than the moving averages. I wouldn't go with this until I see a real break, because the 15-14 cents will not give me the target, my target. I wouldn't really go with this. I wouldn't go with this, no. KTRA 938, again, I wouldn't go with this. SGRP, that's another one down. Sorry. Yeah, that's another one down. Again, I will not be entering all these and record all these losses at the same time. I will not be able to enter all these, so maybe I will get 1, 2, 3, so 270 plus 115 plus 60, but one win will make all that. So here is the streak. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 winning. I will not enter all these as well, of course. So ACER showed up at 10.05, and that's a clear win. Okay, so that's a $557.70. Sorry, that the exit was 10.05 and the entry was 9:47 a.m., which is within our 15 minutes window. Okay. Next one is JOB, job. And if somebody did not enter the first one, can easily get the 7% from this, meet the target. Next one is ABIO, and I talked about this in the during the market hours on my Twitter account, and it was a good one. It was moving very, very, very well. I remember ABIO was showing, if you check here, see it was showing, it showed up and it was on the on the resistance. I talked about it, but I did not. I wouldn't go with this actually, because the resistance is just close to this one. So I was not really so keen to enter this. If I wouldn't really be keen to enter this one if I'm to enter a trade. LACW kept on making highs, new highs on this candle, but I did not find next resistance, so I prefer just to watch it. Although it made a good profit, it made the 7%. Oh, it took a long time to achieve the goal. No, I mixed up here between the two. We give out, and in 2 minutes it made it. Okay. Next one is AEHR. And the trade was opened on 9:55 a.m. But by the end of the per hour setting, by the end of the trading hours, it will close, and that was the last. So it will consider only 90, the gross as $90, and it will close the trade. In our criteria, if it takes 15 minutes, we will stop. We will not continue with the trade. So I will consider this as a loss. Could be on break even without a loss. Okay. All right. I will not go over all the trades, but however, I will keep this at the end of the video for your record, and I will also post it on my Twitter account. Okay, that's it for today. I wish you enjoyed it, and I know that it might not look that clear to you, but when you follow on reality, you will realize with the time when you practice it. And I strongly emphasize that you follow up on the paper trading, of course. That's a disclaimer now. You are not supposed to trade with your real money. Decision of buying or selling is your own and sole decision. This is strictly for training and education purpose. All what you see here is not a recommendation to buy or sell, but I'm sharing my strategy that I've been developing for quite a long time now, almost about 18 to 20 years. And I got a chance to materialize it on the trader ideas. And I'm sharing it with you all, guys. So your support that I'm seeking really is to, if you like what I'm presenting here, give me a thumb up and subscribe. Also, if you like what you are seeing, if you can kindly share it with everyone. If you have questions, put it down in the box, in the conversation box, and I promise I will reply to all your questions. And thank you very much for everything, and see you in tomorrow's session. Bye-bye.